Okay, boys, hurry up.
So after our trip to the Philippines during the tension in the Middle East, here we are now flying straight to Malaysia.
This is how it looks like here. The business class here in Malaysian Airlines.
Lift the metal flap. Should the cabin pressure become low, an oxygen mask like this will appear from the compartment above.
We are here now, just landed in KL airport, and the airport is empty. We are here now, just arrived in Malaysia, waiting for our Uber.
One eternity later.
So we just arrived in my son's apartment. Oh, 1 hour from the airport. So we just arrived in my son's new apartment. So he got this corner, so we have really like a spacious area. So eto, ka-install lang ng aming luggages sa apartment, and we have to pick up the rented car kasi my son needs to collect all his stuff sa kanyang previous apartment. So we are in our rented car now, and my son's driving because we have to buy some stuff and his new apartment. So we need to go grocery later, and I think I cannot drive here. Really, it's so scary to drive here. People are really driving fast like crazy. I think no, I cannot drive here.
Do you know this? The other key then because someone's there. Give me like.
So, ayan, ang dami pang boxes. Tapos papakita ko yung view dito. Ayan, ang ganda. Nasa 23rd floor. Ayan.
The next day.
The food here, they are not really expensive. Set menu. Oh, it's raining today. Cheers. Oh, it's too strong. It's a fresh orange juice, and it's with some alcohol. Wow, looks yummy. This is sushi. Going to try this one. Nice. Wow, so many. I don't know where to start. I will eat first the sushi. Looks yummy. Nice. Good morning. It's a Monday rainy day today. Yeah, paano makakalabas? It's been raining the whole day. How we're going to go for massage actually. Paano makakapunta ng massage? It's been raining and raining. I think Grab here is more expensive going out pag maulan dito. Wow. Whoa.
The next day.
Good morning. Eto, we are ready. Nandito na yung Uber. Time for us naman mag-relax and for the massage today. Talagang we really deserve this. Kasi 3 days talagang nag-unboxing and organizing sa kanyang apartment. So we deserve naman to have this massage. So nandito na yung aming Uber. See you, bye-bye! This is only available the Grab here. So there's no extra car. So we will just take it kasi malilate na kami sa massage. See you. We are here now. Time for us to relax. Bye. Wow, nice. It's nice here.
One eternity later.
Smell good. Wow.
It's also really hot. Yeah. The QR code.
Hello, Jollibee. Oh, there's a Jollibee here. So, our Uber or Grabby here. Okay, boys, hurry up. Are here again, feeling VIP. Kasi ang ganda ng Grab car na to. Arrive in my son's apartment. Here. So, I just feeling drinking a soju today. So I bought the soju, but it's light with peach flavor.
Oh, make a toast.
Cheers! Cheers to your new home.
That's good.
It's a bit strong.
3 days later.